In the realm of kidney health, dietary choices play a pivotal role in either nourishing or burdening these vital organs. Arugula, with its peppery flavor and robust nutritional profile, emerges as a potent ally in supporting kidney function and promoting overall wellness. Let's delve into some remarkable benefits that arugula offers in healing damaged kidneys. Before going to discuss, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Arugula is packed with antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, thus aiding in their repair and regeneration. 2. Low in potassium. For individuals with compromised kidney function, managing potassium intake is crucial. Arugula's low potassium content makes it a kidney-friendly option, reducing the risk of hyperkalemia while providing essential nutrients. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic kidney disease often involves inflammation, contributing to further damage. Arugula contains phytochemicals like glucosinolates and flavonoids, which possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, potentially alleviating kidney inflammation. 4. Supports blood pressure regulation. High blood pressure is a common complication of kidney disease. Arugula's abundance of nitrates helps relax blood vessels, promoting better blood flow and aiding in the regulation of blood pressure levels. 6. Rich in vitamin K. Arugula is a great source of vitamin K, essential for proper blood clotting and bone health. Maintaining optimal vitamin K levels is especially important for individuals with kidney disease who may be at risk of bone disorders.